Hello everyone, welcome to the new video, and in this video I'm going to cover one of the most asked question. And what is that? You already know. Is it really difficult to crack these bank exams like IBPS, PO, SO or SBI or any other exam? Because there are many students who are knocked out in every exam. It's quite obvious. Say for 1000 vacancies, 1 lakh people are applying. Where the rest of the candidates will go? They'll be thrown out. Some will miserably fail, some will cut toward competition and will fall short by 0.39 margin, 0.1 margin. That is understandable. Okay, but is it really difficult? There are some students who are appearing this exam. They are like, abhi ye exam, now this one, now this one. In this video I'm going to tell you 5 things on which you really need to focus and ask yourself. And you don't even reply to me, that's fine, but be honest to yourself. What are the exact answers to it? Okay, number 1, how many hours in a day you use for study? There are 24 hours in a single day. If I ask you roughly say 6-7 hours daily, are you studying? I am making this video in lockdown 5.0. Almost everyone is at home. You are applying for these exams. कोई और ऑप्शन भी नहीं है, घर पे ही बैठना है. Ask yourself how many hours you are studying. Don't tell me 1 and 2 hours. That's like a starter, I would say, which you get before the actual meal. Are you studying 6-7 hours? Obviously I'm not saying continuous 6-7 hours. 2 hours in the morning, then take 1-2 hours break, then 11 to 1 or something, then 1 lunch, then 2 hours sleep or basic, whatever it is, like that, with different subject, not just one subject entirely daily. Are you doing it? I will tell you one thing in this. One student told me, sir, I'm studying 5 hours daily. Okay, next day, yes sir, 5 hours something, 3-4 days after that, सर एक्चुअली 3 hours, सो एंड सो रीज़न, एक्चुअली थोड़ा नींद आ गया था, एंड देन घर का काम एंड ऑल. ठीक है, घर का जेन्यून काम, ऐसे कोई टेंशन वाली बात नहीं थी. देन आफ्टर दैट आई डिड नॉट आस्क हिम फॉर 3 days. ओके, आई यूज्ड टू आस्क हिम डेली. आफ्टर दैट आई आस्क्ड से 4-5 days के बाद, एंड दैट सर एक्चुअली नहीं जम रहा है, आई एम जस्ट डूइंग 2 hours, sometimes 3 hours. You know what is the problem? Consistency. If you do not maintain the tempo, you are disturbing the momentum. Literally you have to study 6-7 hours daily, and if possible make 2 hours ka 4 slot in a day, comfortable time, and keep a gap, 2 hours this, 2 hours this, 2 hours this, 2 hours this. If you are solving any mock test, then adjust somewhere, but stick to it. And you do not have to tell anyone that boss आज मैं इतना करूँगा, नहीं. You have to be committed to yourself. How you are going to manage that 7 hours का study? Many students are busy in finding the reasons. ये था, वो था, and everything. नहीं boss. See, you have to ask yourself, this exam is yours, your individual target, not mine, not your friends. If you have to do it, you will do it, no excuse. If you don't know anything, go study. So make sure you be committed to these things. Second point, do you learn new pattern questions? Many students study from the books, okay, but if you study from the book, you have to first research what kind of questions are coming in the exam. If you are learning the basic things, okay, after that if you find same level ka question in the book, then boss, waste of money, waste of time. You should study new pattern question. And what is the best way to do it? Take last year's papers. See, I'm making this video in June 2020. Take 2019, because now exams or on hold, take 2019 and see only mains level का paper first if you want to see new pattern. See English के sentence connector, see the close test, see grammatically correct sentence, how it is evolved, and try to understand. Is like, boss, okay, so this is how they're asking me the questions, means you will understand for which level you have to prepare. आपको क्या लगता है जो एग्ज़ाम क्लियर करते हैं दे आर लाइक जस्ट डूइंग नथिंग? दे फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड द गेम, आफ्टर दैट देयर टैलेंट, एंड देन दे ट्राई टू ब्रिज द गैप. Yes, they also don't attempt all the 100 questions, but whatever they attempt, they make sure they are on the other side of the road, because they have to cross that line and they know very well how to do it. So understand, you have to study new pattern questions. Okay, and before I go further, let me tell you, I know there are some people who are appearing continuously. I will tell you something for them also when I finish these 5 points. Number 3 point, do you study grammar and vocabulary for English? When students prepare for English, they prepare mostly, you know, that chapters, double filler, sentence connector, sentence air and all. ठीक है, इसमें I include a new pattern, old pattern. Okay, then obviously right wrong, then they okay, then again they solve new paper. No, boss, if sentence correction or fill in the blanks, if you are looking at the mistake, first see mistake pattern क्या है, what is the pattern of mistake. If it is prepositions, you have to first study prepositions, उसके MCQ solve करो, and those groups which are quite active, guys, you are doing good job, because आप बेस जब तक क्लियर नहीं करते कुछ नहीं होगा, और जब आप मेहनत कर रहे हो definitely it will enable you to score more in English coupled with reasoning. So grammar and vocabulary, even in yesterday's video I suggested some books. Grammar उसमें से पढ़ो, गूगल से भी रैंडम से पढ़ो, कोई बुक्स है उसमें से पढ़ो, बट vocabulary and grammar must be strong enough. Now you are not a chunnu munnu level post graduate हो, तो definitely they expect that kind of level, and you have to be ready. If you even just see the papers and do not solve a single question, just by reading at the paper you will understand for which level you have to prepare, man. You just can't do this basic kind of things and you will move ahead. Now see, by that I do not mean that sub difficult and all, but क्या होता है, all sections go well, and if one section goes difficult, it creates a difference. So you have to understand what is happening in each section. Yes, apart from being difficult, still students clear the exam, so you have to understand what they do which you don't do, which package, which subscription and everything that is there, but what the mindset is, ये तो आपके कंट्रोल में है. This is just under your control. So you make sure you you know, understand the plan first. Like I said, for the English, grammar and vocabulary must be strong. See, chapters are just a formality, except 1-2 chapter, rest are formality. Sentence connectors, you don't know that as, if, when, but, whosoever. What is the problem? Grammar. So first make sure your grammar becomes solid, super solid here. Number 4, this is the game changer according to me in these points. It is related to maths. What I want to ask you, do you solve CAT level questions, CAT CAT? Now some of you must be thinking, sir, we are solving bank level exams, so why CAT? Correct, and mostly these questions will be asked me by the beginner level people, like who haven't appeared for any such exams. You know, sometimes we see the DI and if we are not able to crack it, we see, oh my god, this is tough, and it is tough, I completely agree, without looking at the question. Then we think, oh my god, ये तो CAT level का question है. This is about not CAT level का होगा, it is boss CAT level का ही दिया है उन्होंने, उस बुक से ही उठाया, उसी लेवल से उठाया है. Why? Because the levels are changed. Yes, problem क्या होता है, IBPS है, कोई डायरेक्ट नहीं बताता. So you have to understand from the level, and from the CAT, if your DI is done very good, you have idea, then I will tell you those students start solving CAT level के DIs. Now if you are not able to get a book right now, anything, don't worry, go to the, just click on Google, you will get 50 sites, man. Take one site, finish it off, take second, finish it off. When you will solve CAT level DI, you will understand how the questions are put, and it will enable you to understand DI especially very carefully, which is a game changer in quantitative aptitude. Okay, so CAT level के DI solve करना शुरू करो. And last, number 5, this is about you. Like, do you self-evaluate yourself? You solve mock tests, you solve new pattern and everything. After that, okay, you see, okay, 200 questions में से I got this and this. This is good. But do you self-evaluate कि इसमें से in which section you were good all the time, in which section you were worst all the time? You have to understand that. Not just section wise, even chapter wise. That was why I am skipping compound interest all the time. Is it something I don't know how to solve, or is it something like बाद में करता हूँ? So it shows my confidence also. At the same time, if I am solving syllogisms correct all the time, so it means my syllogism is really good, I am getting that pattern. और इसको ना सिर्फ नोट करके माइंड में मत लिखो, राइट इट डाउन. 5 पेपर सिलोगिज्म्स 25 में से इतने आए. 5 पेपर, सपोज इन ईच पेपर 5 क्वेश्चंस आस्क्ड, so syllogism 25 out of 25. Okay, means from this 5 paper my preparation for syllogism is good. Puzzles, out of 5 I'm only able to solve 3 in every paper. Why? The level. It will really enable you to solve it very carefully. And you know what? After reasoning, if anything has to be done to score good, it should be English. Like I said in third point, grammar and vocabulary strong करो. मैथ्स में कर नहीं सकते ऐसा नहीं, बट ट्राई टू इम्प्रूव इंग्लिश, बिकॉज इंग्लिश इज समथिंग in less time it will give you marks comparatively. So make sure you prepare well. And now those students who are appearing exams after exams, preparation, mock tests, ye wo and all, I would say from this point, whatever the minutes have taken place right now for this video, you can pause this and you can bring your parents, and because मैं collectively बात बोलूँगा ये. See, first of all students, आप लोग प्रिपेयर अच्छा कर रहे हो, आई नो वेरी वेल, यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग रियली गुड. समटाइम्स luck is on your side, sometimes you are losing very miserably, very poorly. Obviously you need to follow this point. Apart from that, you need to see your progress, like in which stage you're knockout. If it is interview, it's good. If it is in mains, then what is the mains, and you have to plan accordingly. There are many students I have seen 3 times interview failed, 4th time में PO. And dear parents of those students, let me tell you, your son, your daughter is trying really hard. Please support them. I know very well you won't be able to teach reasoning, maths. That doesn't matter even, because what I'm going to tell, it's more important than these studies. Just keep saying to your son and daughter, okay, beta, you can do it. But I don't know this reasoning stuff and English stuff, but you can do it. You're preparing very hard for the years, so definitely God is planning for a better comeback. If you're facing a setback, then every setback is preparing for a better comeback, because these words now will, you know, something कुछ जादू होगा उसमें, and energy will be doubled. See, your son wants to get government job, you want him to get government job, so target is same. So let the energy be in one direction, that is positive direction, and it will enable him to focus on this particular exam. So support him. I know surely you will. And students जो बार बार एग्जाम्स दे रहे रिपीटेटिवली, आई नो इट हर्ट्स, आई नो रियली इट हर्ट्स, बट देखो लाइफ ख़त्म है ना, ऐसे मत सोचो, ऐसे मत सोचना. दिस इज़ अ वेरी रॉन्ग वे टू थिंक. देर आर मेनी सक्सेस स्टोरी यूज सीन 700 एग्जाम्स दे गिव, आफ्टर दैट दे क्लियर. कैन यू इमेजिन what is the testimonial it would be to others? It's a great testimony, because That story, when it comes out, you have to understand what kind of patience that person has, man. 8 times mains interview, mains interview, mains interview. Then after that, man, I'm a PO. Come, I will teach you. And obviously he can say that, because the kind of experience he will give you now, it will be really amazing. कि किस तरीके से वो हारा था. How did he come from the defeat? How did he rise to the occasion? Maybe your story is happening in the same way. I cannot commit you will exactly happen after 8 times or 7 times. But I can tell you one thing. Just try one more time. Your efforts are in your hand. Just try one more time. देखो, रोकने वाले बहुत मिलेंगे, सपोर्ट करने वाला एक मिलता है. Think very carefully. Try one more time. Always think like that. And make sure someday, as I always say, your success story will be read by others. Thanks for watching. Thank you.